Folks, we're back with the kitchen. We're gonna show you what we got done. Me, right here on my take on home and garden. Okay guys, we're all over this kitchen. Putting the hardware back. Wanted to show you a couple things. Pre-drilled the millwork. Getting that up. Centered. Measuring across. Need 2 1/8. There it is. 6 down, and I'm going to pile it into the cabinet wood. Four little pins. Now I did end up wanting to glue these because they're so thin, and I'm only putting 4 pins, just using a household glue. You can use anything silicone, I would, because I noticed it was a little rattly, you know, because it's so wide and thin. There's a hole. There, I'm really liking that. And you see, we did not come through the other side. You gotta watch that one. Okay, now, I've got these last ones centered. And remember, in the last video I mentioned to you that I'm using the millwork only on equal pairs of doors. Okay, that's a way to say we're not spending the money on to have one on each door. That's just not needed, and you know, it'd be a lot more money. I think it'd be overkill, really. Alright, there's that one piloted. I got these pre-marked for center. So we're gonna put a dot of glue on those wings that don't have a nail, and just a dot next to the nail hole, because these are delicate and brittle and thin, so we don't want them flapping around. Even though we secured them good, it's actually going to act more like a cushion to get these. Alrighty, this whole upper level, we're getting the cupboards done and putting the knobs back on. Get that centered. And I just want to say, because someone mentioned new knobs with the Makeover, to us these are new knobs. We didn't have any knobs when we bought the house. The cupboards didn't have knobs. And what we bought was eBay deal that had enough knobs to do our whole kitchen, which has 5 cabinets added to it by me when we came here, and another Lazy Susan. So imagine the extra room. And we had enough knobs to do that, and 2 bathrooms for 50 bucks. $50. And it wasn't the money, it was we wanted an older look, and we couldn't find anything. Everything's brushed nickel, and you know, or else it's really, you know, Uncle Ferp's barn door. We don't want black, you know, early American, copper. No. You can't hardly find anything in between. So, we intentionally bought and love these knobs. And the ceramic, the color is called oatmeal. And it kind of looks like oatmeal. So, just so you know what we're doing and what we wanted. That's the style. We're not modern. We're not, you know, barn door either. Here we go, guys. Get that light back. Now, yes, we're going to paint the walls because this blue doesn't work anymore. And I'm going to have to take you and show you all around. Now folks, remember the flea market pie with the fruit and the festoon? I just knew it would work there, and I'm just crazy about them. So guys, if you liked our short and sweet cupboard video update, give us a like, a share, a comment. Send Aunt Gladys over. We'll fix her up. We'll make her smile. Right here on my take on home and garden. Thanks guys. And we got new videos coming. You know it. This is Wednesday. You'll be happy with Mondays. And Friday's special too. Take care everybody. And keep those spirits high.